The existing beer machine that we have been using with Shure controls for the last 20 years had dated equipment that we were looking to replace. This included a stem to stern approach, and we basically created a whole new beer machine.
Everything in this project was chosen to showcase something we use here at Shure Controls.
We built the new machine to show how we can effectively control our processes with modern equipment. Eurotherm partner controls, our Temco heater controls, the cart's made out of IPS, which we use for a lot of machine guarding and machine building.
It really shows off who we are as a company. We show what we can do in the shop, but also that we can take time and have fun and do something that we enjoy.
We've done summer shandies, we've done whiskey barrel brews, double IPAs, and on our new machine, the maiden voyage will be done with honey wipes.
The brewing process consists of 3 stages. Basically what we're doing is we're taking water and we're heating it up to 150 to 152 degrees Fahrenheit in our first kettle. Once it's up to this temperature, what we'll do is we'll transfer it using pumps and valves into the next stage, which would be our mash process, where we're mashing the grains for anywhere from 75 to 90 minutes, depending on the recipe. From there we transfer it to the third kettle in the process, where what we're doing is we're boiling the ingredients for approximately an hour. It's where we add our hops, any flavoring, Irish moss, things of that nature. Once we're done with the boil process, what we'll do is we'll rapidly cool it down using a chiller. Once it's reached approximately 75 degrees, what we'll do is we'll look to transfer that using an auto siphon into a carboy and apply our yeast and let fermentation take its place over the course of the next week or 2, depending on the recipe.
On the new beer machine, we're utilizing our new Eurotherm Epc 3008 controllers. These controllers are vital to the process. They maintain the temperature within 1 degree. These new controllers have a much brighter screen, so you can see from a distance that they're green in state, that your process is running well.
With band heaters, we're applying heat to the side of the kettle instead of directly on the bottom where it could burn.
So now that we completed this machine, there's already talk of what we're going to do next with it. One idea is that we make it cloud enabled and we can carry around a tablet and monitor what this thing is doing. Maybe not even just monitoring, but we can also add some control to it, so we can also see what state our valves and pumps and where all our heat levels are at without ever being near this machine. Another option, we could add level control to this, so we know exactly how full our pots are at any given point in time.
This project is a great small-scale example of what we can do on a much larger scale for our customers.
One of the great things about making beer at Shure Controls is it really ties the culture together.
We may brew a few batches of beer a month here at Shure Controls, but this is also used as a training tool in our Shure University to help newer employees learn about our core competencies such as thermal and fluid control.
Some Fridays after work, when the weather's nice outside, we'll have a group of guys outside playing basketball, and it's just nice to be able to have some beer and a basketball, or we've got darts, we can play darts once in a while. Just overall have fun and enjoy each other's company.
If you're ready to see what Shure Controls can do for you, give us a call, schedule a tour. We've got a cold one waiting for you.